Everyone, myself Bharat Sharma, and today I am discussing about on a debate on electric vehicles and petroleum vehicles. I am preference to on electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are uh, cheaper than petroleum vehicles and smoke-free vehicles.
You said first point wrong. That's are not cheaper.
Yes,
They are more costly than a normal vehicle.
yes, electric vehicles cheaper, cheaper where costly but on purchase but if we are use on we are using 1 to 2 years then approximately cost is cheaper than petroleum vehicles.
But in electric vehicles, we need to recharge our batteries, and they have limited backup. So sometime we can stuck on the way.
Yes, but if we are recharge electric vehicles only 2 watt cost on in a day, then cost is only 20 rupees and I we are use one 150 kilometers to 200 kilometers in a day. So I we don't need any petroleum and any other resources.
But sometime when we are going for long journey, so that time we need to recharge it 3 to 4 times. So it takes time to recharge the batteries.
Yes,
And in petroleum vehicle, we just go to the petrol station and we can fill the tank within 2 and 3 minutes.
yes.
So
We can use inverter also and recharge on battery.
I am not agree with you. The battery is also a inverter, and we cannot install another battery also in the vehicle because we have limited space.
Yes.
I think petroleum vehicles are going on something around last 20 years, or EV vehicles just start around only 2 years. So I think there is a less development in there. If you use, if you see in the futures, there is a technology we can charge your vehicles within a few times. Just we fill the petrol or have in support of EV because of petrol vehicles cause the environment more polluted. It is a main reasons because of many of the diseases caused by pollutions or main impact on a ozone layer because
But
by these many harmful rays that cause many disease.
but if I am talking about harmful things in battery, we have high lithium. So sometime it became very hot and chance to burst out.
It,
So it is dangerous for our life also.
so I think it is a more dangerous in the petrol vehicles because if we in a petrol vehicles if you want on a lighter, it is a big dangerous for you. In a EV vehicles it is not dangerous for you.
But in EV vehicles, battery heat get heating by itself. But in petrol vehicle, as you said that uh, we we light the uh, we light the lighter, so we have to take precaution about it. But in battery vehicles, you don't. If you are taking precaution, after that this situation can happen.
Yes, but EV vehicles came in recent 2 years and less development in electric vehicles. But in future, electric vehicles better than petroleum vehicles because petroleum vehicles much more cost and mm, harmful because petroleum vehicles have also more maintenance also rather than electric vehicles.
I said 2 points.
Yeah.
One, we think that electricity is free and
Yes.
we have to spend on petrol, but electricity is not free also. And the government provides subsidy. That's why we looks electricity is cheaper than a petrol. And on the petrol products, government have a tax.
Yes.
Half of money are only tax amount.
Yes, but
And second point, as he said, the petroleum vehicle are more polluted. That electricity will be looks like free from pollution, but it's not. We produce electricity to by burning coals. It's more polluted than petroleum products.
but your first point response is according to me.
बोलो.
भूल गया मैं point.
So you said that electric vehicles.
उसके लिए तो रखा था. भुला के बिठा दिया.
सुनाई थी. सर मुझे बता दो.
But government bans many diesel vehicles. Why we are use petroleum vehicles? That governments express much more harmful than electric vehicles.
Government not is banning the petroleum vehicles. They have limitation for that. Like if we are going for purchase a car, so they have limitation that we can use this car 10 to 15 years.
Yes, if we are purchase petroleum vehicles, we can use only 10 to 15 years, and we are spend 15 to 20 lakh and much more money. But if we purchase electric vehicles, there's no limitation in our
I
country.
don't agree with. Might be there is a also limitation. And if I am talking about the how
In India's capital, Delhi, we are not allowed 10 to 15-year-old vehicle. That's many strict foundations.
and if I am talking about the how we generate the electricity, we have to need lots of water and coal to generate electricity. So if we generate more electricity on daily basis, we in future we can face the drinking water problem also by the EV.
You said that electricity only generated by the coal and water, because in the presents mostly electricity by the solar plates. तो एक सेकंड चुप रहो. तो I think we generate electricity by the solar plate. This electricity generate in the past. At not present, we make electricity. We use coal or we use coal and water.
But we have when we have alternate option, then why we waste our water? And as you said that we use solar plant. By solar plant we can not fulfill our requirement. We need to drinking water and coal to generate more and high quantity electricity.
Yes, but if we generate electricity from solar plants and air plants also, and government prefers mm, to generate electricity from solar plants and air plants, and giving more subsidy on solar panels and air panels.
First of all, your points is not correct. More than 80% of electricity are generated from coals in India
Yes.
nowadays, and a limited amount of electricity are generated from solars. But solars and wind also have a limitations. You can't generate electricity in nights from solars. Then you have no choice to generate electricity from coils or other
But in solar panels, if we generate electricity in day and secure for night,
it's
and
more
inverters also.
it's a lot of expensive and
No,
not
not much,
practical,
not much
practical.
expensive.
Not solar plate. We can't store the electricity in solar plates.
Yes,
We have
I have.
At the
You cannot-
first, at the first you faces the expenses, but these requirement are fulfill our futures, because if we spend on the money around 5 to 6 lakhs, so at that time we spend, but we use the electricity in our futures, so or in a large amount, बहुत
But
लंबे समय तक क्या
if
बोलेंगे इसे,
in
long time.
in rainy season we have long rainy days, then how will you survive? Because that time the sun not rising every day, so we can face that type of challenge.
So I think there is not only plate, there is no only a single platform to generate the electricity for like solar plates. There are many. In the rainy seasons, mostly electricity generate in scene like dams turbine. In a dams turbine, by the process of turbine, we generate more electricity. Or like there is groundwater level is undergone. So governments have decided to ग्लेशियर से पानी पिघलता है, क्या बोलते हैं सही, बाय द water as comes come from इनकी avalanches, so by these waters we, because these are the slime waters, and we convert these water winds in a electricity. So there is not only a single platform like solar plates.
So I already mentioned that we have already less water, so
because
we face
glacial
challenge.
water are not a fresh waters, it is a slime water, we do not use in a drink.
This water is not.
I
What
think
are
fresh
you
water.
saying? What are you saying? It's only water source we have
हाँ,
as a drinking water.
हाँ, अब देखो। लेकिन इसको तो ये भी आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गए थे।
लेकिन
electric vehicles is smoke free vehicles, and petroleum vehicles also generate more smoke and more pollution also. Pollution
we we in electric vehicle we look, it's look like that no smokes, but when we generate electricity from coils, then we smoke, we
But
produce a lot of smoke.
but petroleum vehicles also noise pollution also, and electric vehicles running only silent way.
A lot of petroleum vehicle also are silent nowadays. Petroleum vehicle are not generate any sounds like we saw a lot of cars that not produce
I saw
sounds.
many petrol vehicles. 80% of vehicles generate more sound and noise pollution also.
They
And any single electric vehicles not generate normal sound. They
they
only silent.
they produce sounds after the 10 or 15 years uh, become, when they become old,
No,
then they produce a
I
sound.
have Royal Enfield bike and generate more sound.
Then why you need a Royal Enfield? You can purchase any other bikes that not produce sounds. You purchase that because you want to produce a sounds. You
No,
like it, right?
You see that electric vehicles, because most these, so I think electric vehicles cause more pollutions because pollution is generated from the vehicles. If we meant petroleum vehicles cause more pollutions. If I think, according to my opinion, if we maintain a systems, it is not a single day we work, we work on a limited things. If we control electric vehicles, we controls our, ऐसा क्या बताएंगे? we control pollutions limited amount. If we cause pollution are caused by the factory, I have a reasons, because in a merely 5 or 6 year there is a hydrogen line pipe supply. So I think there is a main cause to reduce the pollution, or pollution is the main cause, because in a disease we expend more money, or we span our life.
Can you answer my question? Just one question.
and also petroleum vehicles generate very harmful gases also.
Can you answer my question? Just
No,
is
I
petrol
answered you.
is petrol CNG
Yes.
are a better energy source or coal?
Coal is better energy source.
Who said you?
Yes.
Petroleum and CNG are far better than coal as an energy source, and that's why the petrol and CNG can produce less amount of pollution than the coal, but we can't see it in our daily lives. Then that's why you said that petroleum vehicles. As I said, petrol and CNG are far better than coils as an energy source, and we produce electricity from coils, and we use that electricity in our electric vehicle also. That's why they produce a more pollution than the petrol and CNG vehicles.
So I think pollution is caused by making the electricity by the coal. For making the electricity, I think there are many appliances here to control the pollutions, because we generate more electricity. I think more environment are more polluted. I have not seen any cases, because there is a appliances here. We can control our pollution to generate the electricity by making the electricity, I think.
We can that appliances in a vehicle also, and we use that also in our countries. They are running in a running stage, and they we can use in futures in vehicle also.
In your petrol vehicles, because petrol are purchased mainly from the Russias or any Saudi countries. So I think we help we need to help other nations, or at a present petrol price at a higher level. For a middle class family, it is a big challenges for you, because if we purchase a vehicles around to 20 lakh normally, or if we for using these vehicles we spend more money on this
Day by day.
by running these vehicles. Or if you use electric vehicles, if buying purchase at the time, we have faces challenges, but for the long time only a little amount we can run our vehicles. So I think, so the conclusion is that
I want to say 2 points.
electric electric vehicles
There are 2 points. One is coils also. We import coils from Australia, a lot of coils. And second point, that's why it's not a point we can purchase petrol from other country, and also coils purchase from another country, and we produce electricity from that coils, and that electricity come in our house. So it's not a point. And what's the second point?
as I think, if you running our future battery life, petrol's vehicles are not, because I think it cause pollution. So electric vehicles does not cause any pollution. For a better future, pollution are controlled, because we see many cases or many disease we are caused by the pollutions. If we pollute our if you decrease our pollutions, I think we take a short step. So government take a short step toward electric vehicles. We make electric vehicles by this, because what pollution is caused is by the diesel petroleum vehicles. They were not caused, people were use electric vehicles, or pollution are controlled by this.